When should I use artificial grass? When it comes to fake grass, there are a lot of misconceptions as to when it can be used. Some people think that it's only for sports fields or high traffic areas, but that's not the case at all. Artificial turf can be used for a variety of applications, both residential and commercial. One of the main reasons artificial turf has become so popular, especially out west, is because of the drought. People are looking for ways to conserve water, and artificial turf is a great way to do that. It doesn't require any irrigation or maintenance, which saves you time and money. Artificial turf is also great for pets. If you have a dog who likes to play in the yard, artificial turf is a much better option than regular grass. If you need more information about artificial grass for sale, contact us.